Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, March 3rd, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another fantastic day today, and I'm going to tell you, I'm getting nervous. These stocks are just great. Those of you that have been following my videos for very long know that we just went through months and weeks of extremely frustrating periods of time. Even though sometimes we made money, it was like the stocks couldn't hold their prices. If something got up very high, the sellers came in and sold it and sold it and sold it. And what we've seen the last, I say maybe 4 or 5 days is um, we're seeing stocks that not only hold their price, but they keep moving higher and higher. And so it's just nirvana to trade. You buy something, maybe you get slipped some on the entry, but you just sit back and pretty soon it's profitable anyway, and it keeps going and going and gets more and more profitable. And we've had just numerous wildly profitable stocks in the last few days. It's just incredible. Anyway, the statistic for today was that we closed out $36,000 in profitable trades, and we're carrying another positive 20,000 going into tomorrow, Friday. So add that up, $56,000. I think it was over $70,000 yesterday. So we are doing just fantastic. I called the Dow up, and the Dow was negative for much of the day, but comes back at the end, steady, slow, steady Eddie here, and closing on its high. And this is kind of symptomatic of our trades. They do the same thing, They just keep climbing and climbing, and closing their highs, and that's exactly what's been happening. Uh, I was right on my call in the Dow, and I'm going to call it up again tomorrow. We are very close to breaking into 17,000. Hey, we haven't been there for a while. Keep in mind, all-time highs are just a little over 18,000. So this Dow has really come back from the depths, and I predicted all the way back in August that we had seen the lows on August 24th, and we got pretty close to those, but we never took those out. And I I predicted back then, I'll repeat, the Dow will see record all-time highs long before it'll ever see those lows from August 24th again. So we are reaping the profits. This is a bull market, folks. This is a bull market on steroids. And we're just cleaning up. Cleaning up. Anyway, show you a few of the trades. I got so many trades, I could be showing you good trades all night. Anyway, let me show you a couple of them. This first one is Advaxis. That's a drug company. And we got into this thing yesterday, right out of the gate. It just kept going, going, going. It closed profitable. Bang, oh, it gaps up for us. We get out, maybe not at the absolute high, but pretty close to that high. And guess what, folks? We take out $13,000 out of Advaxis. I mean, just look at that. That is a perfect trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Love it. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. Everybody's talking about energy being depressed. Well, it is depressed. Sometimes when it's depressed, that's when to buy. This is BTU, that's Peabody Energy Corporation, I believe. We bought this second hour. today. And it just kept going and going and going, and again closing very, very near its high. Folks, we're holding $10,000 in open trade equity in BTU, or Peabody Energy. Okay, and let's show you one more, and this one's this is our friend. I cannot believe, I just kind of arbitrarily on a whim threw this in the portfolio. Um, I'm a habitual dieter, so I'm just kind of interested in this. And this is Weight Watchers International, WTW. This has been a fantastic stock and volatile, volatile. Anyway, we bought this thing yesterday. It looks about 2 hours before the close. It really didn't close profitably, and then it just screams today, and we're holding over $6,000 in profits in Weight Watchers International. Fantastic day. I can, I gotta pinch myself. I'm dreaming. This is trading nirvana. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Friday.